We had our very fourth Power Business Breakfast today, ending off the year in a very light note after the year we've had. The Power Business Breakfast is basically a session where we bring women who were featured in our magazine under a roof to collaborate, engage, and network, to create a safe space for conversations that affect us as women, and also to create a place where business women can come together and help each other grow and basically dialogue on ideas on how they can help to contribute to the growth of the economy. So today we had an amazing list of speakers. We had a representative from the Ministry of Investment, Trade and Industry. We had HRDC, Women to Women, and I believe it was a very insightful and engaging program. This event was sponsored by SPAR, Ujugu, and Women to Women, and we had other sponsors as well, Mosha SPAR, Local Corner BW, and a whole lot more. And I think because of them, we're able to push the agenda where we can say women can actually have a seat at the table to say something and to contribute to the economy of the country. We'll see you guys next year when we have our fifth one, and hopefully we'll be able to engage you guys again and have fun. See you then.
Hello,